Press the test button to start a quick functional test. Green. System healthy. Green flash once per second. Duration test pending. Green flash twice per second. Duration test running. Green flash 4 times per second. Functional test running. Red. Battery charging fault. Red flash twice per second. Battery duration fault. Red flash 4 times per second. Lamp or luminaire fault. Press the test button for 1 to 2 seconds. A manual functional test, less than 2 minutes, will start immediately. Press the test button for 5 to 10 seconds. A manual duration test, 3 hours, will occur at a random point between 0 to 24 hours.